the main event. Alafu pia ni lazima nikwambie leo ndio kuna unveiliwa the award area kaheano on the main event area gakorwo nto kwa tukiheo dates ya muthenya gwako na Cafe Ngoma Awards ya 2020. So leo ndio kuna unveiliwa the award area kaheano muthenya ucio, na pia watakuwa pia wana launch Facebook page haria social media haria mari tumagira niguo andu magakemenya ni maundu mari kumarathi na mbere. Na pia ni very important gwire for example 2018 ni kwena categories iria ciaheanitwo cia awards, na ni hari na categories ta kadisho mehena R&B Artist of the Year, ni kwari na Hip Hop Artist of the Year, Soul Artist of the Year, Afri Fusion Artist of the Year. Ndamenya Kameme totimenyerete maundu maya, lakini yao irero nire makoragwo magitwo yao hawa celebrating tu watu wenye wako kwa mainstream, ma celebrate ginya andu aria matari mainstream, na nio mareta alternative music. Kwa hivyo hasi watu wenye umezoea kusikia pale kwa radio kila wakati, kwa rua mareto alternative music. Na tuko na guest wetu wa leo ni the founder wa Cafe Ngoma Awards, na niwe ungihota gucokia ciuria ciothe iria wina cio, koguo no nyenda tukorwo tukimwariria, na niwe Steve Shege.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm very well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You speak like Mzungu and your name is Shege.
It's because group of schools kidogo, and also talking to a lot of you people, modo ni edago accent gaseji hanini etha tuiguane.
Ndaigua niwe Gikuyu, koguo ingikuria wina mbeca cigana ni ukuhota kujira wina mbeca cigana?
No gutaririe after interview no.
Sawa, Steve Shege, thank you so much kwa kuja kuongea na sisi, na ndamenya mwiroreri mucie especially Kameme, ndakoro gemera mostly inadili na alternative music area ti mainstream music, no mere gukora makemenya first of all Cafe Ngoma Awards ni about ke kana yajirie ri.
Okay, now Cafe Ngoma Awards Day, it's about we celebrate personalities, businesses and musicians within the alternative field, and by alternative ore dragiria kuganirere kwa andu aria music yao it's not mainstream, it's not wamlambes the nyimbo cia hype, it's about content. Like an example ya rwimbo rwa Gikuyu modo ereri igoro wama, you know, that's a song that speaks to you. That's not a song that you'll necessarily hear on mainstream media, but it's a song that builds people. So we really advocate and promote people who do that content, although you won't see them on the popular whatever. So that's what we are about. Na Cafe Ngoma as a company yajirie in the year 2016, na Cafe Ngoma Awards yajirie 2017. Now we are working towards our fourth annual Cafe Ngoma Awards this year.
Okay, todo ndamenya kwa show yetu inaishanga around 6, na tutakuwa na a bigger interview later. No nyende gukorwo unanielewa ndakwenda yuko ni urazigwa no twende gukorwo tukimenya umuthi what we should expect, and in future hide kwa kona the main awards.
Okay, umuthi what you need to expect ne what we are having is a media launch, koguo turenda kuonania andu aria manyitanire na ithwe nea. And one of the biggest partners that we have is Kameme, MediaMax, Kameme, K24, Milele. And so we are here to announce that. We are here to also announce the people who've partnered with us, because tukorago na categories 22. 20 sponsors for each category. Here Domara Heanaido will tell you who those people are. Now on the 5th, what you can expect is a lot of performances. Na reu koheana iheoisho na komenya dwaya nea.
Yeah. So in short, you're talking of 5th of November, kind of 5th of December.
5th of December. 5th
of December. Ni wako kukuya awards. Aha. So pale Facebook pia kuna launch ya.
Yes, we launched a page this morning. If you want to find out about this event and what we are doing, Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020. Nandari gari rone kuga, one of our major partners too is Two Rivers. So right now we are at the riverfront. But on the 5th we'll be at the Koroga grounds. Kogo nema nitanire na idwe now. Yes.
So what is your word to Nidona way? You have the artist at heart. Neto gikoro kira muinui haria mucie, because kwena ine igemereka alternative music lakini wanashindwa music yao watafanya nini nayo?
Ore igemera ni atiriri, and this is something actually rekedemwere dio kana kado mathikageria R&B. We have this R&B Grammy Award nominated R&B artist is called Kenny Latimo, na ni atumete video ya go congratulate winners at Cafe Ngoma, and I'm going to just reflect what he says. Na augete ado makorwo they stick true to themselves. Na uria ndirageria kuga ni riri, ogo wandikaga nyimbo urona tita nyimbo iria ci TV-ine kana radio-ine ri, nduga change either nyimbo ciaku cikorwo catchy. Stick to who you are. If your song is about depth, it's a slow song, just keep creating that. There's an audience for that. So instead of trying to fit in, build your audience. Menya andu aria mathikagiria nyimbo ta nyandikaga ri ni ariku. Ogo ni andu 5 ri, andu acio 5 may have other 5 friends. So keep building it. Hey artist nyonete mekete oguo, if you'll allow me to say, Kwame Regei uria wa rwimbo ruretagwo atia mwene nyaga. You see, yeah, kina Erosh, you see, they've been at it for a while. Ni Joe Kwame Kumako 2010, you know, and 2020, nego agumete fio, but he's been at it, and I believe now him and the rest are reaping the fruits. So stick to your craft, just build you. Dugekeke dugetarago kenia nyodo arere. In 20 years time, hota kwero uine rwimbo rou. For those 20 years, uinaga rwimbo omenete, but adonimaro edirei na certain way. How frustrating that would be, you know? Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Steve. We are so glad to have you here. Talking about nego corona we haha. Na ndiramenya K24 nego corona live. Koguo any other question adu me corona kio. Kiuria kio gothe kire kingi mundu corona kio ni me corona okimacokeria okimataukira. Thank you very much. Haya, Oshuma Steve Chege niwe founder wa Cafe Ngoma Awards ile koretwo ku Kuba 2017. Neno niyo the 4th edition na negweria hau kafaraine ino ni media launch ya Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020 na dina mugeni oge karibu, a very beautiful lady ananyitanira na ithuĩ etagwo Diana Kaleche. Niwe mwene Score Tours Safari Sean Tours and Safaris. Karibu sana.
Asante.
So your name is Diana Kaleche?
Yes.
Ni partnership gani uko nayo wako ili mwenye kwa nyumbani pia kuone, ni partnership gani uko nayo na Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020?
We'll be supporting them with safaris, tours, air ticketing for the award winners. Yes.
So basically mtu yote mwenye atashinda award in 2020 mnampatia safari ya kutoka nje ya nchi ama hapa kwetu nchini?
Because of COVID, the deal we signed was for within Kenya. But sasa by December kama kutakuwa kumefunguliwa, we might consider. Yeah.
And how did you get to meet Steve as the founder? Where did your partnership come through?
Okay, this came through. Wait, it's live, right? Okay, and we published at Daily Nation. Okay. Yeah, because of my good work. So that's when Steve approached me and he told me about the awards. Yeah.
So what's your word to everyone who is doing great music and they're doing alternative music? When you want to find alternative music pale nje, what's your word for nini? What's your word to them?
Everyone in music or trying music, they should keep doing it. Yes, they should keep working. Yeah, because tuko hapa kwa support. We are the big partners in the field. We'll support them.
And I know mtafanya kazi mzuri, so ningetaka utuambie pale social media mtu anaweza wapata wapi ili pia mpate clients wenye wako nyumbani.
Okay, so on Instagram you'll find us at Sean_Safaris. Then on Facebook it's Sean Kenya Tours and Safaris. SCHON. Yes.
All right, thank you so much. And we are hoping to see you. This is Kameme TV. Na K24 itakuwa live, so we are hoping to hear more from you. Okay. All right, thank you very much. Mot ndramenya no muraji kwa mwena wa hari ya Cocktail Friday. Niko na guest leo ni Baraka. Leo ni guest after guest. Na dina guest yogiretwo Joan Duati wa Mkoria Centonomy. Reka tuko tokera nakyo nake ni partnete na Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020. Reka tuko tukimugeithia na tukimenya nake maundu maria arekira Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020. Joan Duati.
Mzuri sana.
Nono naitwa Joan Nduti. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Na umefanya partnership na Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020.
True.
So what are you bringing on the table for Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020?
So it's very interesting. Tuna partner na Cafe Ngoma because we have the same passion. we have the same interest. So they have an interest in the space where they are empowering people who are in the alternative space, and we are doing just the same. Yeah. So when we look at creatives, musicians, all these people who are in the art industry, they make us laugh, they make us happy when we listen to their music, but sometimes their money behaviors are not necessarily very well. So when we look at a case kama ya Othwol, a good example, who passed on, he was one of my favorite comedians, but it was very sad after he passed on. We are fundraising, and it's just little things that musicians can do. So Centonomy is a company that empowers people, purposeful people, to learn how to manage their money, to create wealth, and to live comfortable lifestyles. This is something that is of such interest to us. We want to bring to the table education about business and money in the alternative space. Yes.
So basically, nitaongea Kiswahili juu mwenye kwa nyumbani ni Kameme TV. So basically, after hii award imehappen, hii partnership, nyinyi mnakuja mnasaidia wasanii kujua how to manage their own money.
Yes. So vile tumepartner for now na Cafe Ngoma, tuna award one person who wins. There's a category that will win that Centonomy will give a full scholarship for our Centonomy program. So the Centonomy program is a class unaingia, go through 12 weeks of training, unasoma about budgeting, about tracking your spending, about investing in all the areas, property, shares, all those. By the end of that, you have a financial plan and you are ready for wealth creation.
So how long is this scholarship program?
It's a 12-week program. So the program itself is a 12-week program. We are awarding one person. Yes.
So najua kuna mtu ako pale nyumbani pia angetaka kujua more about how to manage their money. Pia ni msanii na pia si lazima kuwe ni msanii. How can they get you on your social media handles?
So on our social media handles, so we have Centonomy on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Centonomy. On Twitter, @Centonomy. On Instagram, Centonomy. What other channel have I forgotten? Our website, www.centonomy.com, Twitter @Centonomy. So all across the platforms, we are present. We have a lot of advice. We have a lot of educative videos for even people who are not maybe able to participate in this particular competition. They can go there and get a lot of information to empower them.
So thank you very much, Nduti, and you're doing a great job. I'm your fan, by the way. You're doing an amazing job, and we are hoping this will bring out the best, because anything imepartneriwa na Centonomy, Media Max, na even Two Rivers Mall, itakuwa ni kitu, it's a big deal.
Yes. Impactful. And at the end of the day, we have to make sure all these artists live up to the names and the brands they build, because they have such big names. Wako na majina kubwa like Othwol. Lakini tusimzike na aibu. By the time they leave, they'll leave legacies, they'll leave brands that even their children can leverage on.
Sawa, thank you very much. All right. Haya, mwirore ino wake igwa. Tulikuwa ku Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020, ni media launch ya 2020, a 4th edition. Manze, kama uko pale nyumbani pia, make sure ikifika 5th November kwenda kwako na the main launch, the main event, ukue hapa juu tunajienjoy. Kule nyumba kuna band, tunajienjoy. Ndamanya kuni #Cocktail Friday, hata huku ni #Cocktail Friday, tunajienjoy. Kuna muziki, kuna band inacheza pale nyuma, na even our CEO Ken Garoya oragweri nego korogoko akiheana kendo muzito yenye itakuwa inasaidia hapa kwa partnership ya Cafe Ngoma Awards 2020.
Kabisa mazee, usione Golden Pineapple mwana wa Two Rivers pale hivyo waka mazee. Kutoka huko hizo area code za Thika Road unaweza ingia pale leo mazee, leo kuna Cafe Awards na go down pale na hilo mazee. Partnership mazee ya Media Max, lazima hiyo shughuli itik, na bado wa CEO mazee mzee mzito wa boss mazee Mr. Ken Garia bado ni wako wakeneana akavukari to mazee. Ni kata si ya partnership ya Cafe Ngoma Awards na Media Max Fraternity, na wasema mazee wanapiga shughuli pale pia mazee, shughuli safi zidi. Wewe na Golden Pineapple, nikisikia ulichokozwa wewe, nikisikia ulichokozwa tutavuruga sana mazee. Na imekuwa Cocktail Friday mazee, umesikia Klein?
Lazima.
Jina tere jeshi. Partnership mazee ya Media Max na maclient wote pale hivyo nje, tuna make sure mazee wamepata quality na service. Unaona mmoja mtu hapa Andre Aginya dakika 3 show ine.
Lazima jo.
Kabisa tuinuke.
Na tuinuke.
Kabisa mazee gari kama mdotago msusidawa, mdodo umapate ya show no mazee. Technical team akina Jenga, Jose, akina Field mazee tunasema shukrani sana akina Morinjo, Negado nyige muno, mdodo adeke SMS